guy.
He
Look at
has
this.
nothing, he says.
No, look.
How do you know that?
I know. Watch. Watch.
Yeah, have you seen this guy before? This poor guy.
Have you seen him?
Just wait. Watch. Wait.
I feel bad. Okay. Have a good day.
Oh my gosh. What do you know about this
Yeah.
person? Like, why did
Hang
you
on,
just,
hang on, watch. I'm just gonna
I don't know if this is
Where's he
nice.
going?
just gonna pull over here.
where's
See
he
him?
going? Yeah, he's walking somewhere.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Yeah, what's wrong with this?
Yeah.
Well, I gave him money and he leaves his spot right away.
Right away he leaves?
Yeah.
So
Hang
you've
on.
given him money before.
Just watch.
Okay, follow him.
I feel really bad about doing this.
No, watch. I'm telling you. He's faking it. Look at that.
He doesn't
Now he's
look-
limping.
he
Now he's
doesn't-
limping. He wasn't limping before.
Is he limping?
Nope, now he's moving fast.
Oh my gosh.
Look, hang on.
This is crazy.
See? Wait. I think.
Maybe he
Oh,
knows-
yeah.
Oh, see? He's looking in the garbage.
Yeah,
We
I don't
shouldn't be
know,
following
guys. I
him.
think he's fine. I think
Oh, wait.
Oh, that's his home. He has
he
a
has a
garbage home.
shelter.
He
Wow.
sleeps
You think that's.
by a massive garbage dump, and we're following
He has a
this poor guy.
shelter.
No, look at that backpack.
Where? What
Where?
Look
backpack?
behind, at the bottom. Look at.
Oh, right.
That's
there.
like a
Yeah,
nice-
Yeah, that's a backpack.
No.
Yeah, that's a backpack.
He probably
right
found
there.
it in that dump.
You guys. I think
I
he's
think it's
legit.
fine. I really do. I don't know if we should be following him.
I still don't buy it. I don't buy it.
He puts his sign
I'm checking it out. No, come on.
Where are you going?
No, I don't think we should.
No,
Oh my
get out.
gosh, where are you going? Oh my god.
This isn't a good idea.
I'm saying, like, the shoes look too new. They didn't look worn.
Yeah.
You can always tell, like, by the shoes.
Okay.
Like, they look nice.
Well, this shelter doesn't look
He
too.
had a bag wrapped around his leg.
Look at that box. It's a Chanel box.
Trash.
Where?
It's not trash.
It's trash.
I don't think it's trash.
Hey.
What?
There's shoes in here. Oh
There's
my gosh.
shoes in
$1,500 shoes?
What's in that one? What's in that one? What's in that one?
$1,500 shoes.
Maybe he just. Oh my gosh. These
Oh
are
my God.
brand new.
Hey. What? Hello.
Hey.
Oh my gosh.
Hey. We know you're faking. Oh.
He just threw something at us. What? He just threw that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Hey! Excuse
Hey.
me.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, you guys, something's wrong. Oh my god.
It's a Tesla.
Oh my god.